you shouldn't be trading Forex. Like, don't trade Forex. It's not for you. It's not something good for you. It's not that. Don't do it, because
I used to be broke as a joke, now I'm having whatever I like. I still been fighting my demons, it's been one hell of a fight. I'm tired as hell, but I swear that I never get tired of trying. I'm cool as a wind, but I still can't let that nigga cross my line. Fuck what you heard, I don't care who you are. Came from the dirt, now I shine like a star. Ask how I'm doing, I'll tell you I'm fine. Look in my eyes, you can tell that I'm lying. Never thought that I would make it this far. I sing my little song as I play a guitar. Was writing this song and I ran out of time.
What's good, y'all? Right here sitting poolside, just finished up talking with some ambassadors within my travel club, and so I just came up with the idea to do this video. As you guys probably seen it already from the title, this video is things that you should pretty much know before getting into Forex trading. I've been seeing my video going over Forex and talking about Forex, getting a lot of views, a lot of engagement. A lot of people been DMing me, pretty much asking about mentorship and stuff like that. So I felt like this was a good video to kind of give for those who may be looking for mentorship, or for those who may not even know if Forex is really something that they want to get into, you know what I mean? And so I actually have it right here on my phone, like just some things that I feel like are important. You know, I feel like the biggest thing before getting into Forex, some things that you really should understand and know, is what Forex really even is. You know, I feel like a lot of people, they hear about it before, they heard of trading before, they heard of investing before, and they're just like, okay, I can make money, so I just want to do it. But they don't really understand what Forex really is even about. So to kind of give you guys an understanding, the Forex simply stands for the foreign exchange market. And this is actually a market where you have the ability to pretty much invest into different countries' currencies, trade currencies actually. So when you trading, you're actually putting your money in an investment that is pretty much predicting where the market is going to go. So for example, you trade in different countries' currencies. So you have the US dollar, you have the Japanese yen, and if you were to sell USD JPY, you have the ability to make money from the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. You have the ability to make money from the Japanese yen being stronger than the US dollar and forcing the market down. So a lot of people don't really understand that when they say, okay, I want to get into Forex, or I've heard of Forex before. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. You know, this is something where the banks invest their money. This is something where, you know, large companies and corporations make money more than just the average person that you might see that be a Forex trader, right? So the next thing that I feel like is important to know before getting into Forex trading is understanding capital, okay? A lot of people focus so much on what they want to make and not enough on what they have to make what they want to make. You know, investing in all things starts with capital. Whether you want to invest into a business and start a business, whether you want to get into real estate, whether you want to start YouTube, right? It's an investment to do anything. You have to buy the equipment, you have to buy the property, you have to buy the product. To get into trading, you have to have capital to invest. And so the biggest thing that I mentor and I talk to people about when it comes down to the capital that's needed to get into trading, to start off right away, if you're really desiring to learn a new skill or learn how to make your money work for you, the minimum I would recommend is starting off with $100. Do I say that saying that that's going to make you a lot of money? No, but that does give you the ability to learn the next things that are important when it comes down to making trading work for you, that we will talk about in a second. So it's like $100. If you are somebody that's getting into trading and you're just trying to turn little to no money, which a lot of people had the expectation before joining a company to learn trading, or before even practicing trading or doing trading, is, okay, I just want to turn $20 into thousands. I want to turn hundreds into millions. You know, if that is the perspective, or if that's what you want, you shouldn't be trading Forex. Like, don't trade Forex. It's not for you. It's not something good for you. It's not that. Don't do it, because trading is not something that you should be looking at as like a gamble. Okay, just like if you go to the casino. If you go to the casino and you don't got a lot of money and you're trying to get rich quick, you're going to get taught a lesson. The casino is going to take all of your money. And that's where trading goes from being a skill to being gambling, when you're trying to turn nothing into something. So capital is something that I feel like a lot of people don't really understand the importance of, and they overlook it to try to get the income before understanding what the capital that they're coming in with. Okay, so next to capital is understanding the skills that are needed and the determination that's needed to get the skills. Okay, so the reason why I say it's okay to start off trading with $100 is because I tell people this all the time. If you don't know what to do with $100, you won't know what to do with 1,000. So you should jump into it and learn what to do with the smaller amounts before trying to throw in larger amounts. A lot of people want to wait until they have a lot of money to learn how to invest, or wait until they got a lot of money to do something. If you could get into real estate with $200,000 and you have that, but you're like, oh, I want to wait till I got $2 million. Yeah, you could still get into real estate, but if you don't have the skills first, you're gonna lose the $2 million just like you would have lost the $200,000. So if you want to get into trading, but you're like, oh well, I want to have more money before I learn. You must learn before you can make money. So understand, you guys, that the skills are important, and some of the skills that are needed, that is outside of looking at the charts, is patience. Right? There's a lot of emotion that comes into investing money. A lot of people have a very strong emotional desire to be rich and wealthy, and so because of that, you have a very strong emotional attachment to the money that you're using to get rich and wealthy. And when you don't see the money growing, or when you see that you're losing money, it's easy to get discouraged. It's easy to want to give up. It's easy to want to stop and not continue. So you must have a trading plan to allow you to be confident in the process, and you must be patient. You must be persistent. Right? After taking the losses, you must keep going. And yeah, you guys, those are some of the things that I feel like, outside of learning uptrends, downtrends, before learning point of interest, doji candles, wick, support and resistance, before learning all of the terminology, those are things that you must come with personally, is persistence, patience, and the will to persevere and just see the goal through. Okay, because I cannot tell you guys the amount of times that I kind of took losses that made me want to stop, but I knew for a fact at the end of the day my goals remained the same, so I needed to continue forward. The next thing I would say that is very, very important before deciding to jump into trading is making sure that you have proper guidance and proper support. Okay, first we'll go ahead and talk about support. I seen a video on my homepage of YouTube, and it was a guy that was like, why I wish I never told my family that I started trading Forex. And it's because to do something big, you need support. Right now, I'm in front of a very large, tall building, right? And in order to have a building that has, I think this building has 47 floors or something like that, it needs a strong foundation to hold it up. So if you're somebody with big goals, being able to become retired off of trading, being able to have all of this success, you need people that are here to lift you up, even when the wind is blowing, right? Even when the storm comes, you still are strong on your goals. Because if you jump into trading, if you jump into entrepreneurship, and you don't have people around you who want to see you win, who want to see that goal get accomplished for you, when you need the support, when a storm does come, they won't hold you up. They're gonna say, yeah, I don't know why you did that thing anyways. I've had people tell me that, I don't know why you're risking your money doing that. I don't know why this, I don't know why this. So you want people around you who know why, and who trust why, and who want the why and the goal to come through for you. So what really allows support to come easy sometimes is if you join a community when you learn how to trade. A lot of people are big on, you could learn that on your own. You guys, nobody creates success on their own. So yes, you can go get some bits and pieces of knowledge and information, but you cannot go far by yourself. God made it that way. I don't know if you believe in God. School made it that way. You need new teachers at new levels. You need tutors sometimes, right? If you don't know something, you need people, right? If you haven't done something, you need people. So the best thing I could recommend you guys do is go get a community. And if you are someone who don't know where to find a community, if you are somebody that loves my videos or enjoying everything that I'm telling you about, enjoying my content, I do have a community of people who are serious about trading and investing, and we have the right education, we have the right guidance, and I do training and mentorship calls for them to actually be able to succeed within it. So, that's something that I would personally recommend if you are somebody that's looking to get into it. And last but not least, I would say the right education, okay? And this is very, very major. And this is one of the reasons why I personally went ahead and decided to get into trading. And it's because I know the type of person that I am. And I am that person to where, how could I say this? I like to see progress quickly, okay? And in order to see progress quickly, you have to be able to become educated quickly. So if I didn't understand it right away, I was getting upset. I also needed to see some income soon too. And my first day getting into trading, I was able to make money right away, and that was because of the community that I was a part of. But more than that, when I first started looking to get into trading, I was watching a bunch of YouTube videos, video after video after video after video. I didn't really know where to start. And if I could be real with y'all, by the second video, I was already discouraged. I didn't know if I want to continue to do it. And it was because the video was talking about things that I didn't understand yet, giving me terminology and saying certain things that I didn't get. So what I did when I got into trading was I got started with a course, and this course was a few $100, and I still recommend this course to people to this day. I feel like it is the best start for somebody that's looking to get into trading. And the reason because of that is not only does the course offer the terminology, the step-by-step videos, but the course also comes with live education. The course also gives you access to tools that helps looking at the market, looking at charts become, easier to look at, all of that stuff. So what the course did for me in terms of the videos, there were very short videos, like 3 minutes long, step-by-step teaching me everything that I needed to know. After those videos, I, had all of my notes, and then there was live educators putting everything that I had in notes into action within their live trainings, and I was able to ask questions within the live trainings, and whatever I didn't understand, I had the community to fall back on. And in the process of me learning, I was also making money because we had experienced people within the community who were sending signals out, and so I was making money off of signals before I learned how to look at the charts myself. So those are some big things, you guys, that I would say if you are somebody who is looking to get into Forex trading, heard of it before, thought of it, I recommend it, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't care. At the end of the day, if you want to go far financially, you must have avenues that can help you grow your money. Okay, you cannot be the only thing working to make money if you want to be financially free. And trading is just that thing that it's like riding a bike. When you first get into it, it might be hard. You might stumble, you might fall, you might, you might hurt yourself, right? You might blow an account, you might lose $100, $200. But understand also, a big thing that a lot of people don't know, you are in control over every loss. You choose how much you invest and what you risk every trade. So only you can make yourself lose everything. So that's one thing also to understand. But I say it's like riding a bike because it is challenging jumping into it. It is challenging doing it for the first time. But the moment that you got it is the moment that you have it, right? I haven't rode a bike in probably a couple of years, right? I don't remember the last bike that I rode. But if somebody put a bike right in front of me right now today, I'm not gonna fall. I'm gonna know, get on, pedal, catch my balance, speed up. I'm gonna know where the brake is. I'm gonna know how to slow down. I'm gonna know how to stop. When it comes down to trading, I spent 3 years learning trading. After my first year, I was good. I was okay. After a year and a half is where I really started to get confident. And every month, every year after I started, I've gotten better. So not only do you understand it and you got it, but you master it more and more, and you become more of an expert the more you do it. So that's the best thing that I love, because when I was working my job, I got better at my job, but my income didn't change. When I got better at trading, I started making more money, you guys. So those are things that I would personally recommend, and the biggest things that I would say that you must understand. And this is a video that anybody should watch before they ever get into Forex trading, because me personally, I'm gonna tell it how it is. I lost a lot of money trading, and I made a lot of money trading. And the biggest thing that I love, and the reason why I mentor people, is because I give people the ability to not make the mistakes that I made and get the success that I got quicker. So if you are looking for mentorship, you are looking for a community, and you want to know where to start, and you want to ask me questions, all of my contact information is in the description box below. And if you do use this video, watch this video, and decide to go and start trading, I wish you the most success with us if you decide to partner up with myself and my community, or I wish you the best success with whatever avenue you decide to take advantage of. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Like this video, subscribe to this video, share this video with anybody you feel like may be able to use it, may be able to learn from it, and may be able to take advantage of it. We are out.
Was yesterday. They say that time waits for no man, and that's why I can't hesitate. Nowadays I've been waking up early and staying up late.